Bees are important pollinators for many plants, contributing to the growth of crops and flowers. They also produce honey, which has various health benefits for humans. However, the bee population has been declining due to factors such as pesticides and habitat loss, which can have a negative effect on our ecosystem. It's important to protect and support bee populations to maintain a healthy environment and food supply. World Bee Day is an annual event to raise awareness of the importance of bees and other pollinators in our ecosystem and agricultural sector. It highlights the critical roles that bees play in pollinating crops and sustaining our food supply. This day also helps to promote actions that can help protect and preserve bee populations. So let's decorate a lantern together to celebrate this wonderful insect. I'm going to try. Nope, I'm not going to try. I'm going to make it. Okay, so now I have this wonderful ensemble. I went down to Goodwill and picked up
my lantern. I've been thinking about this lantern. I saw it Saturday. Thought about it Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today's Tuesday. I was like, I better go get it. But on Saturday, it didn't have a price. So today, it was marked $12.99. And $12.99. And as luck would have it, the color of the day was white. Now, this was half off. So $6.50. And then when I got there and put my information in, I had a $5 off coupon. And she looked at me and said, do you want to use that? I said, yes. So this cost me $1.50. Loving that. But I asked her, I said, it's all zip tied up. And also too, you've got to take this screw out here. So I don't know, does this work? I mean, I have to take it. I don't want to. I don't know how I'm going to do this. You got to take a, this should be easier. This should be easier. When replacing bulb inside, turn 90 degrees, then pull out a base. All right, so 90 degrees. I don't know what 90 degrees is. Let me, oh, I see. Okay, so it kind of lines up. Sort of, kind of. There we go. Do you know this would have taken me and the Goodwill girl a long time to figure that out. So now, does it work? Don't know. Got a bulb. This is the true test of time right here. True test of time. I've had some good luck with electronics. All right, Dan. Now, I don't think, yeah, that bulb is too wide. It's not going to fit back up in there. So I almost need like a nightlight bulb. So let me go get one of those. Okay, we're still troubleshooting over here. My mother-in-law left us, well, a ton of light bulbs. So this is the only nightlight looking one I have. But it is super cute. So this is going to go in here. Voila! Okay, so I don't like to buy anything that I don't need anymore. And the beautiful thing about this lantern is that I don't have to paint it white. And my other thought process was that I could put it outside on the porch between our rockers, and it would give a cute country light. But it looks so darn cute in here. I think it's going to stay right here on the peninsula. So let me clean this up. So my only luck today was that maybe the last 2 days white was not the color, and so it just got overlooked. And while that was occurring, it still sat on the shelf. It moved, but it just sat on the shelf. So this says it's a 3-way switch night light, but looks like a lantern. And I'm just getting the general, I love Fantastic. I'm just getting the general scum, dirt, dust off of it. And then I'm gonna polish up the, you know, price tags, that kind of stuff. Yeah, $12.99. I think it just gets tousled around and in the Goodwill bag. I don't think that they sweep that too often. Who's got time for housekeeping when you've got people dropping off stuff in droves? So this is like brand new. This is like brand new. I mean, this is so super cute. All right. Celebrating the bees today. And we are going to close off this lantern. We are going to close off the build of this lantern. Do I want it there? Let's try the switches. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting ready to take off this tag that says 3-way switch for night light. 3-way switch. 3-way switch for night light. Bye. I might keep it all the way up. So that's on, second, on, second. Oh, okay. High, low, low, high, off. Well, I guess sometimes when you think about it and you just can't stop thinking about it, that maybe that thrifted item is meant for you. What do you guys think? I believe in that. I really do. I think that thrifted item is okay. So this is the cutest little bee lantern I've seen in my state of Virginia. And for $12.99, color of the week, $6.50. And then I took a $5 off coupon on top of that. For $1.50, you are the cutest little bee in town. So check out the playlist and also watch all of the other ladies' videos. They are so talented and so creative. Check it out. Don't forget about protecting the bees. Put out flowers that contribute to their pollen production and make your yard look beautiful. And also too, for the carpenter bees, you can put up or construct a wood house for burrowing and chewing. Until next time, friends, take care from Secondhand Tracey Ann. We are all the buzz over here in our bee lantern for Bee Day. Let's decorate a lantern for Bee Day. So glad I went back.